Hello, my name is John Shaken. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an indoor-outdoor wooden cooler for a patio or picnic area. First, you can see me showing you the plans and then assembling the base of the cooler. Here I am screwing in the final piece of the base of the cooler that's supporting it and the main structure, the frame of the cooler. Now you can see me measuring out some wood for the first slats that are going to go in front of the cooler. And now I'm air nailing those into the base using a level to make sure that they are completely straight, and then I am air nailing them in. Me cutting more slats to go around the front of the base. And now I'm going to air nail those in, making sure they are level. I did have to adjust and trim down one of the edges because it was too long, and now I'm cutting the final slats that are going to go around the sides of the base. Next, I'm going to cut the trim that's going to go around the base over the slats. So now I'm measuring that out and cutting those pieces of wood. Then I'm going to make sure it's level and air nail them into the sides, and then measure the front, see how long that is, and cut that piece of wood. Once I have that cut, I'm going to make sure it's level and then air nail it to the front. And after that, I'm going to trim down the front lip of the cooler. Once I've air nailed that in, I'm going to adjust the 1x6 piece of wood to fit the sides perfectly. And I'm going to fill in the side lip. I've also created part of the lid, as you can see there. Now I'm just finishing off the side of the lip on the left hand side, air nailing that in. And now I'm going to begin to work on the lid. I'm cutting a side piece for the lid that I'm going to screw in. And then I'll screw in the front of the lid. Here you can see me screwing in the hinges in the back, 3. And then I'm going to air nail in the top lid portion of the cooler. All that was left was to add on the hinges and the bottom trim, which you can see me cutting here. And once I have that ready, I'm going to air nail that in, and that is the finished product. Fully functioning outdoor cooler for patios or picnic areas. It's a great party gift. And that's the finished product. Thank you.